Hello guys and welcome back. La Palma volcano warning. Unstoppable lava clogged at record speeds of 10 meters per second. La Palma's erupting Cumba Vieja volcano is pumping streams of scorching lava into the ocean at record high speeds, officials have warned. The Canary Islands Volcanology Institute (INVOLCAN) clocked the flows of molten rocks at speeds of up to 10 meters per second, according to the agency. These are some of the fastest lava flows volcanologists have ever seen on the island. The update arrives on the 66th day of the eruption, which has displaced thousands of people, destroyed homes, and wiped out entire fields and crops. The lava flows are presently feeding a new lava delta near the town of Tazacorte on the island's western coasts. Lava deltas from along coastal areas when large quantities of volcanic material flow into a body of water, forming a new stretch of land. The newest delta started forming on Monday when a stream of lava crashed into the ocean, prompting authorities to confine some 3,000 local residents. The new delta formed just 1.2 miles from another delta that developed on the coast in late September. According to INVOLCAN, the responsible lava flow has been streaming towards the coast past the mountain of La Laguna. On Tuesday, the agency shared a number of videos of the stream. At a steady speed of 10 meters per second, that is about 22 meters per hour, the lava could travel the distance from Cumba Vieja's cone to the cliff of Tazacorte in about 10 minutes. The Cumba Vieja volcano has been erupting since September 19, casting the Canary Island into a state of chaos. As of now, data suggests that about 2,617 buildings have been destroyed by the natural disaster, and the lava is also estimated to have covered a total of 1,074 hectares of land. So shocking, so bad. Whatever I have to say concerning this, as we pray for the lava flow to subside, the destructions to end. Drop your comment in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.